Where are we now? Oh, this is
Okay,
this.
Okay.
So we've watched a couple commercials that are just very misleading in the past, and I want you to figure out what this is.
Yeah, like maybe misleading is a little bit unfair, vague. It's not,
Okay.
or is it intentionally trying to mislead me?
It's intentional.
Yeah.
I think.
Oh, so a twist.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
I've
well-
already seen it, unfortunately, so I can't.
Why did you see it? Why did you see it?
I was just watching. I didn't think it was a clip. I thought it was.
Did you submit it?
No, Will did.
He submitted it and you already watched?
I couldn't help myself.
If he
It's like,
submits, you're not allowed to watch.
have you seen the thumbnail for this?
I'm looking at it right now. Up the
No,
nose.
this is not the thumbnail.
Should I see the thumbnail?
Sure, you can. It's the first like 10 seconds.
Should I, Will? You think it's important for me to see the thumbnail?
No, just watch it. But the
Yeah.
thumbnail is in the video. This is where you're like, oh my god, I need to see what this is.
Yeah, it's very alluring. It's like, what is this?
Thank you very much, Matt.
Yeah.
Shout out, Matt. Okay, go ahead, I guess. If you don't want me to see the thumbnail, I don't know. Maybe the thumbnail adds an element. Maybe I can predict something if I see the thumbnail.
Yeah, well then let's let him see it. Just hit the channel.
Okay, I'm gonna stop in the middle and
What?
let you kind of decide.
I know, but then I want to see the thumbnail. If I'm trying to accurately, you guys want me to try to predict what's happening
Yeah,
to me,
yeah.
right? Okay, then I deserve all the information available, including the thumbnail. Why don't you
Okay,
just click
hold
on the
on, hold
channel
on.
page? No,
This is an old video. He'll have to scroll for a bit.
no.
Oh,
Okay, yeah.
So it's
okay,
the
yeah.
thumbnail on the left.
Yeah.
I was hoping that it was just like it wouldn't spoil it.
right.
the
Okay, I see
title
what you're
or-
saying. Yeah.
Whatever
Okay,
this channel
it's called
is.
Sticking Together, No Matter What. And
What do you think that
we have 3 screaming faces. They look like they're in pain. They're definitely or afraid.
And one guy's got something on his face.
He has something on his face. Now,
Yeah, what do you think it
I'm
is?
going to go out right away and make a prediction that they are actually stuck together.
Okay.
That a gluey or sticky substance is actually involved here.
Okay. Now let's watch it.
Okay. I mean, what do you feel like you need to say something?
No. I think
wait
we're good.
a sec. Say something. Go ahead.
Just say anything.
Say something.
No.
Why? It would
It's
be a
just gonna
clue? It
spoil
would be
it.
too much
Yeah.
of a clue? Okay. Play it.
It's definitely gonna surprise you. Whatever this
Lovely.
is.
Great. Like being surprised. Is this safe for work, by the way?
It is. Yeah.
Okay.
He's saying it's poop.
Oh, okay. Bird poop?
They're screaming bird poop.
It's very dramatic.
Now they're screaming fire. All linked together.
What the? Okay. So they never. This is a commercial for something.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
They're freezing. There's snow all over them.
Yep. They're willing to go through
Pretty much the elements.
anything together.
Yeah.
Nothing will break them. Nothing will break their bond.
Rain.
When is this all gonna end? I don't know.
泣いてんのか
You're crying?
別に
No.
No, but he is crying.
地震だ
It's an earthquake.
Hang on. Pulling his buddy back on.
Okay. Standing strong together. Okay, you're gonna
Pause.
pause it? Pause it.
Oh my god. Good pause, Will.
What do you think it is?
Standing strong together. Okay, so there were a lot of natural disasters here.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Like
There's literally like 2 seconds or 5 seconds left of the video.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you had like the bird poop is the most vague, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
The way they're sticking together, by the way, is just by hands. There's nothing glue related whatsoever. Sticking together, no matter what, it's a voluntary act because they're gripping each other's hands.
Yes.
Right.
Then after the bird poop, we had
Just
Fire.
the elements.
elements.
Yeah.
We had fire. We had water. We had earthquake.
Snow.
So the obvious one, and I know you're going to hit me with a twist here, but the obvious one is that it's some type of insurance,
Okay. Yeah.
right? Like
Yeah.
that you
Kinda
would
makes sense.
stay that they would stay by you when something doesn't go according to plan. But
Right.
obviously, there's
So
a twist.
the characters here is the insurance company.
Yeah, see, that's the problem. Is like, are you one of the people in here as part of the? Yeah, that's a good point. Like who? But I didn't think about it necessarily to the extent, just the representation that these guys elicit a behavior that most people would want to have,
Right.
which is the idea of
Through thick and thin.
exactly,
Yeah. Yeah.
exactly, like reliability, loyalty
Yes. Yes.
type of thing. So, but the twist, damn.
Man, I think you should lean into the first scene.
The poo.
Yeah.
bird
That might
poo.
help you the most.
Yeah. Sticking together. Sticking together no matter what. Sticking. I mean, yeah. The bird poo.
Think about where that happens.
Yeah. What? The beach? Are they on the beach? In a parking lot? Where does bird poo happen? Anywhere.
Yeah, technically.
Anywhere.
The
Anywhere.
ending of this, man.
Oh,
I was so blown away.
they're in some kind of bizarre location, I guess.
All right, Will, we gotta end this
Okay,
misery.
all right.
All right. So there's
all
5
right.
seconds left.
Okay, you know what? You know what?
Okay.
You know what? They are on a roof.
Hit play, Will.
All right. Here we go.
They're on a roof, aren't they? They're on a
They
roof.
turn into jingles.
They're a roof.
And then that's like this whole
Hey,
commercial is
So
them.
dramatic.
Yeah.
A beautiful game made by
Honestly, I think it's pretty good. Like, how do you sell a roof?
Roofing tiles.
Yeah.
Like the abrupt ending.
Each one
It's
of them
just-
is an individual.
Shingle.
Shingle, yeah. And they're sticking together.
No matter what. So, and this is actually a pretty cool tile where it looks like it's almost like a tongue and groove, like they fit into
Right,
each
yeah,
other in the
yeah.
same way that these guys were holding on to one another.
Interlocking.
Interlocking tile. And then it says sticking together no matter what.
Right.
So like it's a way of describing the resiliency of the connection.
It's so silly, though.
いつまで続くんだろうなこんなこと
But also, it feels like your roofing tiles are miserable.
Yes, it does
Yeah.
make you feel bad for your roof.
Yeah, for your shingles. You're like, damn, they do put up with a lot. But maybe that's a good thing. Because then
Made me
you're-
think about my roof more than I ever have
exactly.
in my entire
Yeah,
life.
like the roof. Your roof is important.
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh man, this was a funny one.
Yeah, that's well. You never know. Standing strong together. How else would this company be able to get us to watch for a minute and a half? You know what I mean? It would have to be this style
Yeah.
of.
It's
yeah.
just it's so quickly
Yeah.
like the opposite of direction.
Yeah. So we're sure that that's real.
Oh, I don't know.
Is that a real ad or is that like a joke? Did they actually imagine that they actually ran this on the TV broadcast or something? Because the thing is, one of the things about a really captivating ad like that is you can't see it very many times once you figured out what it was, right? The whole appeal is the reveal at the end. But with ads, you tend to see them like, at least on television, you would see like a dozen times.
Yeah. But Japanese, they have some funny ads in Japan.
Oh,
there.
no doubt. No doubt.
So I wouldn't yeah.
No,
I
it looks
think
like
this
it's
might be
real.
real.
No, it definitely looks like it's real. No, here we are in ad week. This was a real ad. That's crazy. Yeah. I wonder how it worked out for them. Very creative, man.
Yeah.
Like you're sitting around and hey, we got to market this shingle. And was it an ad for Wimbledon specifically? Is that what? Yeah, it was BBC Sports Wimbledon spot. So they definitely made it for an event here
Oh, okay.
by the looks of it, like big budget because they had to spend money on that.
Yeah. It's very cool.
Whatever. Anyway, good find, Will.
Very creative.
You never know what you're gonna find on the internet. That's why we do the show, to make sure that you don't miss the right things to find on the internet. Thank you very much to everybody who joined in the chat today. Thank you very much to everybody giving us super chats. Hopefully, sticking together doesn't hit us with the copyright. It's an ad, though. We're just playing your ad. Leave us alone. Thank you to Mo for all the incredible financial advice. A man of his credentials should be taken seriously at all times. A man of his stature. Thank you to Will for the incredible transition between the break and the start of the show starting for the second time. That was a record. That was, I don't know if you'll be able to do that with that smoothness ever
never
again. But so we gotta listen. Small victories. We gotta embrace those small victories. And remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose.